My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm going to do something a bit different. So I've just moved into a new house and I need to change the door lock. So this is a Euro cylinder, so I'm just going to show you how to quickly and easily change one of these cylinders. I'm also going to show you how to measure it. I'm also going to order a key-like cylinder, so the front and the back door both have the same key, so you're not messing about with keys. So I'll show you on this plastic door, and then I'll bob back to the other house, and on the other house that's got a composite door, so I'll show you how to do it on that one as well. And then we've also got a wooden door at the other house that's also got a similar type of lock, or the same lock, and I'll show you how to do it on that because it's slightly different on the wooden door. So let's have a look now. Right, so I've got myself a star shape screwdriver. So all I need to do is unlock the door, and when you unlock the door we'll need the key in the door there, and there's a screw there. So when we have a look at the lock that we take out, it's got a screw that goes through the middle of it, just there. So all we're going to do, we're just going to unscrew the screw out of there. And as we unscrew that screw out, just take that out. So you could do this with a cordless screwdriver, something like that, if you wanted to. Keep hold of this screw because this is cut to size, and then you won't have to cut the new one down. And then all you need to do then is just turn this key until you can pull this lock through. So on that there. So if we have a look, if we have your key in your normal position in the door, it'd normally be like that. But then it'd have a catch on there, look. So the lock will not pull out. But as you turn the key, it just makes it so you can pull the key out. So you can pull the lock out, sorry. So that's your lock. So what I'll do now is I'll just show you how to measure this. So I'll get a tape measure. So just one thing to bear in mind with this lock, this sticks out a bit further than what I want it to stick out. So I want this to be nearly flush. So that's about 5mm too long. So when I do order these locks, I'm going to order it about 5mm smaller than this. So you just need to check with your own door just to adjust that if you need to. So when we look at this lock, if we measure from the centre there, we can see that this one is 50mm. So from the centre to the end is 50mm. So I'm going to knock 5mm off on this, and you can just see there that it sticks out. That it just sticks out about 5mm too much. So, and then if we have a look on the other side, again, if we put the centre of that to there, we can see that's 45. But I'm not too bothered about the inside sticking out a bit. It's just the outside, because just less chance for them to snap them off. And going on from that, I'm also going to order an anti-snap, an anti-bump lock, and that has like a little slot in here, so that if they do snap them off, it's a little bit more secure. So when we look at this lock, it's got a line in there, so it's an anti-snap, and it's an anti-bump lock, this one. So this one's a little bit more secure. So to install the new lock, you just do it in reverse order. So once you've got your new lock through post or whatever, I've just ordered mine on eBay. It's just quick and easy, it'll get posted out to me. So I've measured it, I'm ordering it, and it'll come in a few days, and then I'll swap it over. So what I'll do now, we'll bob to other house and I'll show you on a composite door. A composite door is almost the same, and then I'll show you it on the wooden door as well. On the wooden door there's just an extra screw to take out, but I'll just show you where that is as well, just to make it a little bit easier for you should you want to do it yourself. So I don't know if you can see this on eBay, but you just click in what lock you want. You want a chrome one or a brass one, and then you just click in which one you want, what size you want. So it's really easy to do and order yourself. These ones are quite expensive because these are K-like ones that aren't snap. So I've ordered these ones for my house. So if we have a quick look there on the composite door has got a screw there, just the same. So you can just take that lock out. You see that one's a bit too long as well. So this is a wooden door, and this has also got the same type of lock. So with this one you need to undo that screw there and undo that screw there, and then you take this plate off. I'll just show you now, and then there's a screw underneath that. If we have a look on this door, that's where the screw would go, but I've actually taken the lock out and just put a blank on this one. So that's just a very simple DIY guide how to change your door lock in a plastic door or a composite door, or even the wood doors if it's got a Euro cylinder. I'm not a locksmith or joiner, I'm just a gas engineer, so it definitely is a DIY guide, so anybody can do it. All you need is a screwdriver and a tape measure, and you can look at the lock and change the lock yourself. So it's very easy. If you've got any questions at all, please add them in comments below. I'll be happy to help. Yeah, thanks for watching.